Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is serial shoplifters who stole $30,000 from Target are finally caught, man. Dang, they finally caught, man. After $30,000, come on, you should have quit while you was ahead. Let's get into the video.
On February 19, 2024, officers responded to a call from Target regarding a potential shoplifting.
Is that them right there? Just stand here, see if they walk out. Bravo 2, they might be walking out the the grocery side.
Yes, I told them like
Walk with
mandatory.
me. Walk with me. I'm going to use you as a distraction. I'm going to act like we're good old friends. See if these people walk out. Hey.
She left everything in the cart.
Hey, right here. Tuck away. Nope, you're good. Man. They're walking out the grocery side now.
Alright, do they have them? I saw the TV, so you puffed me out before. Okay.
That employee was so happy to participate.
Hey, go ahead and stop them. They got the other stolen TVs in their car going on the LP.
Is it the black male? Black male and female?
Yeah. Hey, sir. Let me talk to you for a minute. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Loss prevention called on y'all.
On me?
Yeah, I guess the other Target caught you guys stealing TVs earlier today.
Not me.
It's fine. I just want you guys criminally trespass. I guess you guys have a history at Target or something?
We don't even live here.
Oh, so then why are you guys over here?
No, we don't live. No, we don't live in Atlanta.
They called. They were requesting us criminally trespass you in the state of Georgia. Anybody can keep a criminally trespass.
Right. Oh, yeah,
Okay, so I'm just going to give you guys warnings.
okay.
You guys got your IDs on you? Something about how other Targets...
But let me tell you though,
Yeah.
we don't even live in Atlanta. We just here visiting family.
That's fine. That's fine. I'm saying they believe y'all to be some serial shoplifters.
Oh hell no.
Did you leave the cart in there?
Huh?
All the stuff.
They saw you guys taking some fire.
And then you just ditched the cart and took off?
No, I don't have my ID, but I can give you my name and everything.
Is it going to come back?
Yeah, sure.
So like I said, I'm not really trying to make this a big deal.
No big deal.
This is one of the things that I guess they have footage of. What other store?
So they just came from the Canton store. They took 2 TVs from that location. Not to mention all the fire stations.
Get code 5 for me. I'm going to call Canton.
Wait, y'all chill for a sec.
Okay.
What's your first name?
Oh, Ayana.
Ayana.
Why?
How do you spell it?
Hey, can you contact Canton PD? Allegedly, they had these 2 shoplifters shoplift 2 TVs from their store today. If you can reach out, see if they had any shopliftings there. Were y'all up in Canton?
I don't even know where Kansas is, to be honest.
No, Canton.
575.
No, we literally just came here.
If does your car have 2 big TVs in it?
No.
Is this
We're waiting for my sister actually. Yeah, you can run it back.
Sophie, can you unlock your car?
Check.
What?
You know where the other Target is? Where they still look?
I'm on the phone with Canton trying to get that.
Okay, it's Canton.
Yeah, I'm already on top of it, boss.
All right.
They lying though, and if I was the dude, I would tell the girl, I would tell whatever his girl or whatever to shut up, bro, cause she talking gibberish, man. She talking, oh, we not from here, this and that. Listen, you talking too much. Just zip it. You feel me? And she talking about like I could catch all the lies already. She talking about, oh, we actually waiting for our sister. Then where was you walking off to? You was just walking the parking lot as if you was going towards a vehicle. So come on, don't lie. And then don't say that you wasn't at the other store, because you know Targets is camered up. Like, so if they catch you on cam, like, the girl needs to just shut up. Just stop talking.
We don't have anything.
They want a criminal trespass. That's
Right,
it.
but they didn't steal anything from here.
They were attempting to, and then he looks like they dumped the cart when they saw us.
Oh, okay.
But why did you ditch the car trap before you came out?
I was gonna, I was actually, cause I know I usually like sell stuff resell, and there was too much, so I just said I was just gonna leave it.
And we're trying to figure out if they have TVs in that car.
Yeah, Cat just said there's two 32-inch TVs.
Theirs?
That's what Cat just said. Do you know where he is?
I see him. Phone.
Did they file a report in Canton for those TVs? And what kind of TVs were they?
You said they had shoplifting today in Canton?
Yeah.
No, they didn't. Not according to my people.
There's two TVs in the car.
That's him walking out 30 minutes ago.
Did they file a report?
That's what he's trying to do right now.
I mean, if they say they got you on surveillance taking stuff,
Well,
I mean, I don't know. You guys just want to like come clean, or?
I mean, we can just wait on you.
That ain't the right response.
They grabbed all the fire sticks like they were going to, like they usually do.
Okay.
But they ditched it right there and saw, assuming when they saw you guys.
Okay.
Because they were like, oh no.
Do you guys have any other
I have a case from when they stole from me like a week ago.
here? And what is that case? Do you have that case number you're able to pull up from here?
Yeah, I can go pull it up.
All right, yeah. Go grab as many as you have for them from here, and then we can open it.
They go up and down the states. They don't have like.
Yeah, yeah.
What's their current total? Like everything.
Suspected.
16,000 off.
Okay, mommy, arrest me, baby. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go, baby. Arrest me, okay? Nah, I'm playing, but yo, all right.
14,500.
Okay.
30, almost 30.
They hit my
I mean-
her before, but.
So it depends on what Canton wants to do.
Yeah, I mean, at this point, because they didn't steal anything here.
Oh, there's 3 TVs in the car?
Yeah, so that's Canton. So if Canton, that's what I was telling Shank and telling Chandler. If Canton says, yeah, that's our people, and we're going to come pick them up, then we'll detain them. We'll search them, and then we'll put them in the back of our cars. Stand by for Canton PD.
So, Canton has photos of you and you pushing out TVs. We got the TVs in the back seat of your car right now. So we know you did it. It's just a matter of if they're going to actually press criminal charges or not, or if they just want their property back. Some of these times when they get their property back, it's just like, okay, cool, just give us our stuff back and we'll all be good. But it really just depends on what that target wants to do. I mean,
Whatever you got.
no. The pictures are clear as day, though, so I'm not even going to sit here and bullshit you. It's one of those things that's clear cut.
Not even.
You're not, I mean, like I said, you've been cool with us. I'm not going to sit here and try to lie to you and tell you
Right.
this, that, and third.
And I'm not gonna sit in here and tell you what I didn't do or
Yeah,
what I
for
did.
sure.
You know what I'm saying?
No, for sure.
I'm just listening to you.
Like I said, we're just waiting on a phone call. All right, we'll see you here in a little bit.
Take your hands out your pockets, please.
Okay.
Put your chest up against the wall over here. If you can, take your purse off for me.
There you go.
Thank you. I'm not trying to pull. I don't want to pull your hair. Go ahead, put your hands behind your back for me, please.
Can I tie my hair up?
That's fine.
So Can's on their way to come get you here. Okay.
I'm gonna pull your hair up just a little bit. I don't want to pull it.
That's fine.
We can put 2 cuffs on there if one is not good.
I can roll my sleeves up on my face.
That's fine. We'll manage.
We're gonna put them in. Yeah.
In other words,
They
you
gonna
a
come
big
get me?
girl.
Yeah, they're gonna come get you.
Right.
Just hang out here for a minute. Off one right there.
139 claims. We've asked TVs on their way to our location.
We got 2 sets on you, so a little more comfortable for you.
You got anything on you, boss? Knives, explosives, hand grenades, weapons.
RPGs, landmines.
You'd be surprised what we found. So
Because he's only asking because when we get you to the jail, if there's anything in there, it's a felony. We don't want to add on more charges or anything like that.
I'm just gonna check for weapons. Just turn around for me.
And then officer, turn around.
Face the wall.
Face the wall. Face the wall. Lean up against it for it. Officer Chandler's going to search you. Okay. Do you have anything in this purse? Nothing.
Oh, it hurts. Oh, that's interesting.
My friends are this. I had bags earlier. I bought something at the Target.
No, I'm saying interesting that you have a wad of Target bags. That's
Just two.
Three bags.
no. Normally shoplifters have their bags, so then they can just conceal stuff in it. Let's just walk out.
We're gonna go ahead and put you in the back seat of that Tahoe for right now, and then Canton PD will come here and they'll put you in their car.
Make the money on that car. It should be tomorrow.
We're just gonna get you out of the sun. Hot. Can you tell Topic to open up his car?
That's fine. Yeah. Yeah, because it's all. Yeah, it'll be on body cam, so yeah, you can just take pictures. We're not gonna have them pose for him, but yeah.
No, got it.
It's easier if you. There we go. That works.
I'm going to take.
I'll take that. Watch your knees and watch your elbow. Okay. We're gonna shut the door.
Come on.
Like I say, you're sitting here till Canton comes. They're on their way right now.
I never understand why they steal from places that is all camered up, mic'd up. Like, if you gonna do it, listen, you shouldn't do it at all, right? But if you're going to do it, at least have some common sense. No, I would not hit no Walmarts, no Targets, no Best Buys. Like, Target and Best Buy get hit all the time. Like, those places are camered up. Like, like, if you're gonna do that, you hit a mom and pop shop or something, you know, like something like that, or I don't know, but like y'all dumb, bro. Y'all going to jail over some TVs, bro. Y'all, yeah, boy.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.